In April 2021, Redmi launched an ultimate gaming flagship smartphone, Redmi K40 Game Enhanced Edition. This was the real beast that gamers have been desperately waiting for. But the good news is that, guys, this phone is very soon going to be launched globally and in India too. But the question is, when? But if you want all your answers, then keep watching this video till the end. But before we go ahead, if you are new to our channel and you like watching our videos, then please subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget to press the bell icon so that you don't miss on any of our latest videos. Let's begin today's video. Starting up first with its specs, let me tell you, Poco F3 GT is the rebranded version of Redmi K40 Game Enhanced Edition. That's why they have lots of common features. Starting up with its design and build, let me tell you that the phone comes up with a solid back panel with matte finish. But the interesting part is that its camera module with its customizable RGB lights looks absolutely cool. And you know what? The phone also have retractable shoulder buttons and the sliders as well, which makes it a perfect gaming smartphone. Talking about its display, the phone will reportedly be featuring 6.67 inches OLED display with 120Hz of high refresh rate and also 480Hz of touch sampling rate with HDR10 Plus support. And also, the leaks also suggest that the phone will be having Gorilla Glass 5 protection on the front and back as well. But one thing is absolutely confirmed, that the phone will be coming up with MediaTek's latest Dimensity 1200 processor, which will make a perfect balance, between the super performance and the power consumption. Apart from this, the phone is likely to feature MIUI 12.5 based on Android 11. And coming onto its cameras, Poco F3 GT will reportedly be featuring a triple rear camera setup in which you will see 64 megapixels of primary camera, 8 megapixels of ultra-wide lens and 2 megapixels of macro lens. And with this, 16 megapixels of selfie snapper you will be getting in the phone. Talking about its RAM and storage variants, Redmi K40 Gaming Edition was launched in 5 variants in China, which you are watching on your screen. But we have to see which all variants would be coming to India at its launch. The phone is likely to have JBL stereo speakers, Dolby Atmos support and high-res audio with 3 mics design. And not just this, guys, when we talk about the sensors, the phone is likely to have side-mounted fingerprint scanner and the face unlock as well. But one thing is surely gonna disappoint you guys, that the phone will neither have the dedicated SIM card slot nor the 3.5mm headphone jack. I guess the headphone jack should have been given in the phone because it's a gaming phone. What do you think? Apart from all these features, guys, the phone will also be featuring a 3-dimensional cooling system in the phone to enable a very strong gaming performance. And as we say, a gaming phone needs a powerful battery. That's why, coming onto its battery life, the phone is likely to feature 5065 mAh battery with 67 watts of fast charging support, which should be good enough for all the gamers. So now coming on to its launch date, guys, let me tell you that there were earlier a lot of speculation suggesting that the phone is likely to be coming in June end. But now we have some clarity on that, because recently Poco released a teaser from their official YouTube channel which mentioned that the Poco F3 GT will be surely coming in the third quarter of 2021, which obviously means that the phone will be coming between July to September. Though no date has been confirmed yet, but one thing we surely know, that the phone is coming globally and in India too. In fact, recently at the launch of Poco M3 Pro 5G's launch, while wrapping up the event, Poco again left a prominent hint about Poco F3 GT. So after knowing all the specs, let's talk about its pricing. The 6GB RAM and 128GB storage base variant of the Redmi K40 Gaming Edition was launched in China at the price of 1,999 yuan, which in Indian currency means rupees 23,000. So now the leaks are suggesting that the Poco F3 GT is likely to be launched at the price of rupees 25 to 26,000 in India. But remember, guys, this is what leaks are suggesting. For the actual price, we have to wait a little bit for the phone. So guys, this was all about Poco F3 GT, the hyped gaming device. Well, you let me know in the comments, how do you like the device and are you excited for its launch in India? Let me know in comments. Also guys, don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends and family. We will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, you keep watching Mr. Phone and stay safe.